Good morning, everybody. Hope that you guys had a great day yesterday and you're ready for a great day today. For reading, we're doing our vocabulary reading strategy as you're reading your independent novel. Also, if you haven't posted yet on Flipgrid, I'd love to hear your thoughts on Flipgrid for the Rhino in Right Field. We're starting to get to the end of that. For writing for today, I want for you guys to work on editing your papers and the video that walks you through some of the editing processes that you'll work on. For math, you're just working on your Extreme Playground makeover, but some of you are probably done with it or close to done with it. When you're finished, I want for you guys to post it to the Padlet wall that I put on the blog. You can go to the link or you can post right directly on the blog, or you should be able to anyway. But I want for you guys to share your Extreme Playgrounds with us using our Padlet wall. You might not be ready today. You might need Friday or even the weekend, and that's totally fine. Just post whenever you are ready. And the great thing about Padlet is that there's a lot of different options for you to post. So you can take a picture and upload it. You can hold a picture up to your computer screen. You can just type a description. You can make a video of yourself holding it up and explaining it. So however you would like to do that is totally fine with me. I want to give you the answer also to your just for fun for today. So your just for fun, or I should say from yesterday. Your just for fun from yesterday was all about the critic Rager or Rieger. Remember, I said it didn't matter exactly how you pronounced it because what they would say about that music is that it sounds the same forwards and backwards, just like the last name is written. So if you look at the spelling of the last name, it is the same forwards and backwards. So that is your just for fun. Before I close out this video for today, moms, if you're listening, I would like for you guys to maybe just end the video here or step out of the room for a second so I can talk to the kids by themselves for just a second. So, my friends, don't forget that Sunday is Mother's Day. And I know you guys all know that you have a fabulous group of mothers. Your moms are amazing. They have worked so hard and they love you so much. So, I just want for you to make sure that you just are so sweet to your moms on Mother's Day on Sunday, and always, of course, but just make sure that you make mom feel extra loved and extra appreciated on Sunday because all of your moms deserve it. They are absolutely amazing. So I just wanted to remind you that Sunday is Mother's Day. I'm going to keep saying it. Sunday is Mother's Day. Make sure that you love your moms extra big on Sunday. Other than that, I hope that you guys have a fabulous weekend. And if you need anything from me, you know where to find me. Love you guys. See you on Monday.